Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's we are reading about MS PowerPoint. Lesson 7 in computer subject class 4. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's start. Tick the correct option. MS PowerPoint is a dash software. None of these. None of these. Second, the pages in a presentation are called. Answer is slides. Third, A dash is a set of the color fonts and special effect. Answer is theme. Four, dash view show all the slides and the body text in a presentation. Answer is slideshow. 5. The shortcut command to start a new presentation is. Answer is Ctrl plus N. B. Fill in the blanks. First, we can create handout, material and speakers notes using PowerPoint presentation. Second, tabs are located below the title bar. Third, a presentation is created in the blank slide. 4. The size of the pictures on the screen can be increased or decreased by changing the size of the guide box. 5. Themes provide attractive background for our PowerPoint slides. C. Tick the correct one and cross the wrong one. First, MS PowerPoint is a powerful communication tool. Right. Second, the status bar displays on outline views of all slides. Right. Third, clip art help to enhance the visual presentation of a slide. Right. Four, we can add a dramatic effect to our themes by applying background. Right. 5. Each slide appears on the screen one by one in the slide shorter view. Wrong. Okay student, you can look at there. You can. Okay. D. Match the following. Escape key to return to the previous view. Click to press the mouse button. Third, right click to open a pop-up menu. Enter key to go to the next slide. Delete key to delete a slide. Okay student, you can see here and here. Okay, I have done some question in book. After that, E. Answer the following question. I will solve in notebook. MS PowerPoint lesson 7. Answer the following question. First, write the step to create and save a presentation. Answer is following are the steps to create and save the presentation. Step 1. Select the file menu button and click on new option. Second, open a new slide by double clicking on a blank presentation or by selecting the blank presentation and clicking on the create button. Step 3. A new presentation with a blank title slide is created. Step 4. Click on the layout button in the slides group of the home tab to select the layout. Several layout templates will be displayed. Step 5. Click on the desired layouts. Step 6. The layout will appear in the blank slide of the PowerPoint window. Second question, what is a slide? Answer is a PowerPoint presentation is made up of a collection of several pages called slide. Third, what is the slideshow view? What is the its importance? Answer is slideshow view in PowerPoint lets you show a presentation on or from your computer. You can view in either the entire presentation or just a few slides. The importance of slideshow are: first, the slideshow view in PowerPoint is used to display a presentation. Second, this is the best way to view the presentations smoothly and effectively. Third, PowerPoint is a program under MS Office through which we can create presenting materials and based on slides. 4. Write the step to add background to a slide. Answer following are the step to add background to a slide are: step 1, click on the design tab. Step 2, click on the background styles buttons. Step 3, click to select the desired background. We can add different colors and effects to our slides from the options available in the themes box of the design tab. We can also change the next font of the slide. 5. What are the difference between normal view and shutter view of slide of a presentation? Answer is normal view. Normal view is the main editing view where you write your presentation. Normal view has 4 working areas. Shutter view. Shutter view gives a view of your slide in thumbnails from this view is makes it easy for you to short and organize the sequence of your slides as you create your presentation. For printing, you can add sections in shutter view as well and slide into different categories or sections. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.